there. So today is a super exciting video. I made probably a purchase I probably shouldn't have made, but I bought Emma Chamberlain's sunglasses. There was so much controversy over these sunglasses. People were just bashing sis. Just a disclaimer, this is not a hate video. I actually love Emma Chamberlain and I wouldn't have bought these glasses if I didn't like her. I do think they're expensive, but to be honest, it's fair because that's the normal prices of the glasses that she collaborated with. If she had collaborated with the cheaper brand, it probably would have been more affordable. I'm pretty excited to open these sunglasses and to see if they are worth $80 that I paid. Let's see what's in the box. So cute. Right, so it comes in this nice little package for sun protection from UVAs and bad vibes, guaranteed. All right, so it comes in this cute little package and it's really soft actually. Like this is a really good case for just like any sunglass. It comes with this glasses cleaner that has Chamberlain's face on it as a young child. Cute. Yeah, very cute. And the sunglasses. I got these ones. I thought they were really cute. So this is what the sunglasses look like. I don't know how to do like a product demo. I don't know. Wow. So I kind of wanted to get the smaller one, but I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna pay $80 for sunglasses, I kind of want to get the bigger one, really protect myself from the sun. I think they look pretty good. Definitely my style. I like funky, cool, cute sunglasses. These are really cute. As far as like the build quality, they seem pretty sturdy to me. Like they don't really seem flimsy like if you were to get these at Forever 21. And it doesn't say Emma Chamberlain anywhere on the actual sunglasses. Honestly, you could probably wear these every day. This is like an everyday look, right? This is like an everyday look, guys. Everyday look. Do I feel like the Emma Chamberlain sunglasses are worth it? Maybe, I'm not really sure. Yeah, they are cute, I will say. As far as like the $80 price tag, I'm not really sure. They are incredibly sturdy though, I will say. Pretty freaking sturdy over here. Good, sturdy material there. But yeah, just whatever you want to do. I haven't really been outside with them. It's kind of dark outside right now, so I don't really know what they're like outside, outdoors. I think they're pretty stylish, if I do say so myself. So now we're in the car and we're gonna go to the mall to see if we can find glasses that are similar to Emma Chamberlain's glasses but at a lower price point. Our first stop was Tilly's. So I went to Tilly's and they had a wide array of different types of sunglasses, but none quite like Emma Chamberlain's. So I went to the next store. The next store I went to was Forever 21, and Forever 21 had a pair of glasses that were similar to Emma Chamberlain's glasses, but they seemed really flimsy and they also didn't have a price tag on them. So how much were they though? I don't know. And then lastly, for fun, I went to Saks off of 5th Avenue, or however the heck you say that. And I looked through the sunglasses and I found a pair of sunglasses that were similar to Emma Chamberlain's. They were just circular and they were a whopping $249.99. So I feel like my Emma Chamberlain glasses may have been a steal. Who knows? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys want me to review other YouTube products and maybe like roast products, let me know because I love online shopping. And make sure to subscribe to stay tuned to my next video because this video is now over.